I'm just coming on today to show you how I created this olive green and brown smoky eye. If you want to know how I created it, just keep watching. So first off, I applied the Inglot Coverup and Highlight Duo to my eyes to act as a primer, and this just covers any discoloration on my lid. Once I've applied the concealer, I then went in with a medium brown eyeshadow and I applied that in the outer part of my lid and then started blending it the whole way across my crease, and I kind of slightly winged it out at the edges. Using a blending brush, I made sure that it was nice and blended. Then I went in with a darker brown on a smaller brush, so I applied that to the lid of my eye, and then I went in with a blending brush and blended it out. I didn't want to take it as far as the previous colour, so I didn't wing it out quite as much. I then went in with the olive green shadow and I applied that in the inner part of my lid. I took it slightly above my crease also. I ran over the olive green shadow and just made sure that it was like blended in with the brown. I then went in with a brown eye pencil that has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I applied that to my waterline and tightline. I then went in with a dark brown and smoked that underneath my lash line, keeping it close to my lashes, and then I blended the olive green underneath that. I then applied the same eye pencil to my lid and I kept it close to my lashes. It doesn't have to be like too neat or anything like that, because I then went over it with a small brush and blended it out. This just creates a more softer appearance. I then applied some mascara and a pair of fake eyelashes. To brighten up the inner tear duct, I went in with a white eyeshadow and I just applied that in the inner tear duct. I then went on to finish off the rest of my face, and I actually have a tutorial up on how I created the skin for this look. So that is it for this look. It's quite soft and subtle, but it's a nice way of incorporating colour into your makeup. If you have any other questions, just feel free to message me on any of my social medias. They'll be linked below. Thanks for watching. Bye!